Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute Valentine's themed bento. These are the ingredients that you'll need. I'll start off by shaping the rice into the bear shape. And you can use plastic wrap so that it's easier to shape and it doesn't stick to your hands. Make sure you do this when the rice is freshly cooked so then when it cools off it'll stay in that shape. You'll need one large ball for the bear's head and then two smaller ones for the arms of the bear. Welcome to my tiny messy kitchen. So for the eggs, I used 3 eggs, a little bit of water, dashi powder, which is fish broth, some sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and some salt. Swish, swish, swish. Mix it all up and add some oil on a plate because you're gonna need a lot, and you can dip a paper towel in the oil to easily add more to the pan whenever you need to. So make your pan shiny with that oil. Then add a little bit of the eggs. Once it cooks, you can roll it up and then add more and keep rolling. Wow, I am so good at this. Look at those blurry eggs. Okay, so I started over with more oil this time. At this point, I put so much oil that the egg mixture was basically floating on top of the oil. I rolled the first layer and kept going. It was already better than the first time. Wow, I can't tell which one is more beautiful, my first try or this one. I made a second batch of eggs and made sure to get it right this time. Well, I did stop halfway to clean the pieces that were stuck on the pan, but it turned out okay. And once I let it cool, it turned out pretty well. I just had to cut it to make the heart shape. Whew! Okay, now that the eggs are finished, we can finally move on to the rest of the bento. For the protein, I used these vegetarian Gardein mandarin orange crispy chicken. And oh, look at the bear, it's so cozy on its bed of lettuce. And we don't want the bear to be lonely, so I started filling in the spaces around it with the protein and the broccoli, and I started adding the face of the bear too. And for the eyes and mouth of the bear, I used this seaweed, and I used the smallest scissors I had, and I was very careful to cut really small circles and the mouth shape to make the eyes and the nose and mouth of the bear. And then if you don't want the seaweed to fall off of the rice, you need like something to glue it on. So I just used like a drop of mayonnaise to make it stick better, but you can use whatever you want. I found some red carrots, so I cut them up and sliced them into little heart shapes. And then I cut up a bell pepper and I used a slice of that to cut into a heart shape as well. Ta-da! You can make this cute bento for yourself or a friend or a loved one. I ate this one myself, and the best tasting part was definitely the eggs. Feel free to switch it up and try making this using whatever ingredients you have at home. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.